We guide you through how to message someone on Messenger without being friends. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Facebook and use the search bar to find the person you want to message. Then tap or click on their profile, and once you are there, look for the message button. If it's visible, just click it and type your message right away. If you don't see the message option, tap the three dots or more button and select message. And from there, here's the important part. Your message won't go directly to their inbox. It will go to their message request. So make sure your message is clear, respectful, and not as spammy so they are more likely to accept it. After sending, you won't see if they are read it you unless they accept your request. And that's it. You can now reach out to anyone on Messenger, even if you are not friends. Just remember to keep it polite to increase your chances of getting reply.